Hello and welcome to Learning Rust Programming series. My name is Ashish and today we are going to use formatted print options using print macros defined in standard FMT library. Standard FMT contains many threads which govern the display of text. The base form of two important ones are listed like this. One is FMT debug, which is used in our one of the previous videos, which is used for debugging purpose, and FMT display, which uses curly braces, empty curly braces, which format the text in more elegant, user-friendly fashion. A trait in the Rust is a group of methods that are defined for a particular type. Traits are abstract definition of shared behavior amongst the different types. So in a way, traits are to Rust what interfaces are to Java or abstract classes are to C++. A trait method is able to access other methods within the thread. So Rust provides a powerful macro system that allows metaprogramming. We'll learn more about macros in future videos. For now, we have to understand that macros look like functions, except their name ends with bang, that is exclamation mark. But instead of generating a function call, macros are expanded into source code that gets compiled with the rest of the program. We have these macros defined in standard FMT, which are like format, print, println, eprint, and println. So format writes formatted text to a string. Print sends the format, same as format, but the text is printed to a console. Println just adds new line, that is appended new line at the end, and eprint is prints the text to a standard error. And eprint same as eprint, but adds new line. Let's get started with some coding. So first of all, we have seen this println function like this in our previous videos. We use this bang, that is exclamation mark, and we use something like this, and we add a number. Let's add number, and this is simple example we are going to start with. Yeah, so number is printed 1 2 3 5. So we can also use positional arguments in println macro like this. So if I have multiple parameters like Alice, positional arguments can be used specifying an integer inside curly braces like this. So I can even change the sequence. I can use uh, first index. Yeah. So we can also have name arguments. For example, let A equal to 1 2 3 4 and B equal to Alice. And I can use here A and B. So these are named arguments. I have a number which is I32. Now what I'm going to do is we can control the way we want to print this number. So by default, if I print this number like this, let me rename this variable as a number. So by default, if I print like this, it's just going to print number as it is. And if I want to format this number, then what I'm going to do is use semicolon. And if I want to print binary version of this number, then I can use B. So you can see it has printed binary equivalent of 10. Same, if I want to print octal number, then I can use O here, small o, and it will print me octal version of 10, that is 12. Then if I want to print hexadecimal, then I can use X. Yeah, so it is printing A, which is equivalent of hexadecimal 10. So apart from that, if I want to format this number, I want to right justify the text with specified width. That is, so let's see. If I want to specify the width from the left hand side, I want to add space, 5 spaces for this number on left hand side. Then I need to add is greater than and 5. What I can also do is I can use variable here like naming parameter, name parameter, and instead of 5, I can use width like this. And you have to use dollar sign after this width, so then you can access this width here. You can use it as parameter. So you can see number is a by default immutable number, and width I have passed as a positional parameter, name parameter. Okay. So what about next? So this is about width. So what if I want to I want to pad numbers with extra zeros? So that also can be done. So what I will do is I will use greater than. So instead of width, let's use variable pad. Oh, wait, I need to remove this. I need to add dollar. Yeah. So instead of pad equal to 5 and pad dollar, I can directly put 5 here also, or I can have variable like this. Okay. Result is going to be same. It's going to add 0. And if I want to add, yeah. So it has so left adjust by flipping the sign. This is how you can use this 0 less than the number to adjust to pad a number with extra zeros. You can use name arguments in the format specified by this dollar appended by variable name. So Rust even checks the make sure that correct number of arguments are used. So you will get compile time error if you are missing if you are by mistake if you have used something like this, and I have only one variable defined, and so you will get compile time error that there is no positional argument at first position, one position. So this is about the simple formatted output. And yeah, if you are liking the content, then please like, share, subscribe my videos. Thank you.